In this video, we're going to talk about how to graph a line given its equation in slope-intercept form. And this problem is with an integer slope, but it works similarly if you have a slope that's a fraction. So if I have my equation here, y equals negative 5x plus 6. There's a couple ways that you could do this. One way that you can do it is you can use the slope and the y-intercept to make your graph. The slope is the number that's in front of x, that's the m, and the number that's not in front of x, the number that's by itself, is the y-intercept, that's the b. So my y-intercept here is 6. That means that at 6, my graph is going to cross the y-axis. So I'm going to put a point there. My slope is negative 5. That means that for every unit I go 1 to the right, I'm going to go 5 down. So I can count 1 to the right and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put my next point there. Then I'm going to draw a line between those 2 points. To do this in ALEKS, you're going to use the pencil here to mark your points, and then you're going to select the line tool here, click on the 2 points that you drew to draw a line between those 2 points. Alternatively, you can use this button here to enter the coordinates of the points that you want to plot. So another way that I could go about this is I could make an XY table. So I could choose numbers for x, plug them into the equation, and figure out what y would be. So for example, if I take 1 and plug that in for x, that's going to give me negative 5 times 1 plus 6, which is negative 5 plus 6, which is 1. So y is 1. Then I could pick another point for x. Let's do 2. Plug that in. Negative 5 times 2 plus 6 is negative 10 plus 6, which is negative 4. Now from here, I could either plot these points on the graph with the pencil, or I could use this function here to type in the coordinate pairs. This would be 1, 1. This would be 2, negative 4. The eraser button here will erase points if I plotted something incorrectly. If you plot the points using this function, then you would still use the line tool to click on the 2 points that you plotted to draw the line between those 2 points.